What's up, Monster Club? You guys are hanging out with yours truly, the party monster in the room of monster, and hopefully this is the day before my upload of my brand new channel. I'm crossing my fingers. Your boy is grinding, working hard, making sure his setup is up and running. I want to say March 8th, which is going to be on a Friday, so hopefully everything works out and whatnot, but I'll definitely keep you updated. But while I have your guys' attention, I thought I would give you guys a little bit of a sneak preview what you guys are going to be seeing on this channel in the new and improved Room of Monster. But anyway, quick little preview. We got the Jordan 10 in the OG Chicago colorway. We got some Grape 5s, some Love United Adidas, some Piston 6s, and yes, there is those and a ton more. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, stay tapped in, and as always, party on. Let's get it. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go-hard, and the main event himself. Of course, I am the Party Monster. Back in the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video. In today's video, I got a very special unboxing that comes courtesy of the good folks over at Beatbox. They rock with the boy, I rock with them, so of course, I had to hook your boy up, which I do appreciate it and love it. Thank you guys so much. But anyway, we're going to open this up together and see what they sent me. Okay, guys, so before we get into this unboxing, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the Monster Club. Road to 1,000 subscribers starts right here, right now, and you can be the difference. Okay, guys, so I got my box cutter. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so now it's time for the moment of truth. What did they send the boy? Oh, wow. Okay, so they just blessed your boy with the brand new flavors of Beatbox. And I am so happy right now. Like, I guess I'm like one of the first to be showing this to you guys. And they probably already announced it already. But anyway, we got the Beatbox Hard Tea Box. 3 new flavors. We got Mango Hard Tea, Lemonade Hard Tea, and Peach Hard Tea. I think the Lemonade Hard Tea is probably going to be the best of the best. Just looking at the box and everything, but check it out. This is so cool, and I'm so happy they sent me this. Thank you so much, Beatbox. Let me give you guys a better look though. Let's open the box itself. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna open it up now and give you guys a better look at the drink itself. Oh wow, and they actually sent me some like clothes. Okay. I love you, Beatbox, so much. Like, y'all don't even know, for real. Like, y'all are absolutely the best. Okay, and it got me a little message that says, Beatbox is going hard in the paint, introducing 3 new hard tea flavors from Beatbox. Throw in the Beatbox jersey and enjoy the lemonade, peach, and mango hard tea over ice. Try out the flavors and tag us and let us know which one is your favorite. Cheers, Beatbox. Let's get at that thumbnail. Wow, that's so cool and crazy. Like, I love y'all, like, so much. Gave me some socks and a basketball jersey. Yes, let's get it. And here are the boxes themselves. Check it out. You got mango. Again, I'm already convinced this is gonna be my favorite. Lemonade. And hard tea, or peach hard tea. Check it out. They knew what time. They're trying to get your boy geared up right for the summertime. Like, I respect it. I'm for it. Well, you saw what the box had to say. Let's try out all 3. Okay, guys. So kicking things off, we have the lemonade hard tea. Okay, this one's actually really good. Next up, we have the mango hard tea. Okay, definitely has a kick to it. Not bad. And last but not least, we have the peach hard tea. It's alright. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this unboxing and new pickup from Beatbox. Again, thank yous to the good folks over at Beatbox for all the love and support. And yes, check out the jersey, the socks, and of course, more importantly, the Beatboxes themselves. I'll probably do a full review on all 3 new flavors in a video. But until then, thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on X at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.